ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Showbiz Pizza's tribute to the circus. I am your honorable massacre of ceremonies, Reginald J. Vatican, but you can call me Fatz. On our way to the big top, why don't we stop off on the midway and ride some ride?
Last night I took a walk after dark, a swinging place called Palisades Park, to look around and see what I could see. That's where the girls are. I took a ride on the shoot. That girl I sat beside was awful cute, and when we stopped, I gave that girl a hug. My heart was flying, oh, like a rocket ship, down like a roller coaster, back like a loop-de-loop, and round like a merry-go-round. We ate at 8 at the hot dog stand. We danced around to a rockin' band, and when we quit, I gave that girl a hug in the tunnel of love. You never know how great a kiss can feel until you stop at the top of the Ferris wheel, where we fell in love. Down at Palisades Park. Down at Palisades Park. Down at Palisades.
Riding along on a carousel, trying to catch up to you. Riding along on a carousel, will I catch up to you? Horses chasing, cars they're racing, so near and so far. On a carousel, on a carousel. Nearer and nearer by changing horses, so far away. People fighting for their places, just get in my way. Soon you leave and then I lose you. Still we going round on a carousel, on a carousel. Round and 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 round with you. Up, down, too.
What goes up must come down. Spinning wheel, got to go round. Talking about your troubles, it's a crying sin. Ride a painted pony, let the spinning wheel spin. Did you find the directing sign on the straight and narrow highway? Would you mind the reflecting sign? Just let it shine within your mind and show you the colors that are real. swear you were there when the carousel burnt down. We were all around. The wings charted tarnished all over the ground, and their heads hung down. And we all left town the next day. The children all cried when the carousel went down. The old lady sighed when the carousel went down. The rest of us lied as the carousel went down. And the flames did fly. The pipes screamed and shrieked out a blazing goodbye as the boilers died. And they melted down the Midway. And we all left town the next day. We all left town the next day. We all left town the next day.
Okay, folks, step right up. If you ain't been to the Sideshow, you ain't been to the Circus, dig? So now I want everybody to direct their attention to the center ring, where you'll see the most incredible freaks on Earth. Yeah, we got Fatz, the fattest piano player in the world. And there's Mitzi, the frightening mouse woman. And Dook, the dog born with no brain. And Beast Bear, that grotesquely disfigured half-bear, half-surfboard creature. Can you believe your eyes? I can't even stand to look at them.
Step inside, hello, we have a most amazing show. We'll enjoy it all you know. Come inside, come inside. We've got frozen sharks, supersonic fighting tops. Keep your hand out at the box and come inside, come inside. Come see the show! Come see the show! Come see the show! Come see the show!
And now, step right up, folks, and see Little Egypt do her famous dance of the pyramids. She walks, she talks, she crawls on her belly like a reptile. Just one thin dime, 1/10 of a dollar. Step right up, folks.
I went and bought myself a ticket, and I sat down on the very first row. They pulled the curtains up, and then they turned that spotlight low. Little Egypt came out strutting, wearing nothing but a button and a bow, singing. Oh, God, look at it! Oh, close your eyes, everybody!
somersault, and when she hit the ground, she winked at the audience, and then she turned around. She had a picture of a cowboy tattooed on her spine, saying Phoenix, Arizona, 1969.
Oh yeah. Well, they call me the fat man, and I weigh 600 pounds. When I shake my belly, the little girls all come around. Well, they call me the fat man, and I go from town to town. What I like to do is throw my weight around. Oh, yeah. Well, they call me the fat man, but my real name is Mr. Fine, Fine, Fine. Take 3 to love me, 4 girls to hug my side. Well, they call me the fat man, and I weigh 600 pounds. When I shake my belly, little girls all come around. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah.
Welcome everyone to the Circus Museum. Now I know the price of $1 might sound kind of steep, but just think of everything you get to see. Guadalajara, Roman terracotta, living lava from the flanks of Etna. Statuary, ride a dromedary, see the temple tumble in the Red Sea part. McNamara's brand, the fattest lady in the land of pickled prehistoric hand, strand of Pocahontas hair. Growing through, who going to be showing you some rowing through a model of the rapids on the Delaware. Armadillos, clever caterpillars, reproductions of the Cyclops retina, crystal glowing, automatic sewing, Venus on a shell, and other works of art. Educated fleas, a tribe of aborigines, 2 ladies joined across the knees, the Mona Lisa made of ice. Hottentots, forgotten and forgotten spots of cotton gin, a knife, a blot and Sodom, better see that twice. One iguana, snakes, another fauna, got no bearded lady, but we're getting her. When you duck out, take another buck out, run around the block and see you, run around the block and see you, run around the block and see a new show start. Hey Looney, how about helping me with the next verse? Yeah! Now I'm getting everybody else to help too. Rolfe, Earl, come on you guys, join in. Guadalajara, Roman terracotta, living lava from the flanks of Etna.
Statuary, ride a dromedary, see the temple tumble in the Red Sea part.
McNamara's brand, fattest lady in the land of pickled prehistoric hand, strand of Pocahontas hair.
Growing through, going to be showing you some rowing through a model of the rapids on the Delaware.
Armadillos, clever caterpillars, reproductions of the Cyclops retina, crystal glowing, automatic sewing, Venus on a shell, and other works of art.
Educated fleas, tribe of aborigines, 2 ladies joined across the knees, the Mona Lisa made of ice. Hottentots, forgotten and forgotten spots of cotton gin, a night with Lot and Sodom, better see that twice.
One iguana, snakes, another fauna, got no bearded lady, but we're getting her. When you duck out, take another buck out, run around the block and see you, run around the block and see you, run around the block and see a new show start.
Yeah! That's right!
While falling off a stool, we've got sights to make you drool, and we always keep it cool, keep it cool, keep it cool. We would like it to be known, the exhibits we have shown are exclusively our own, all our own, all our own. Come on, see the show! Come on, see the show! Come on, see the show!
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope hope you've enjoyed our little sideshow excursion. Y'all stick around now, because in just a minute, Mitzi, our real frightening mouse woman, is going to sing a #1 hit by Smokey Robinson and the Miracles. And it just happens to be about the circus. And after that, it's on to the big top. So don't you get lost, you hear? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Showbiz Pizza, where we're paying tribute to the greatest show on earth. I am your aristocratic announcer, Reginald Vatican, the massacre of ceremonies. But you can call me Fatz. I would like to direct your attention here to the center ring, where Mitzi will sing us a hit song from Motown about the sad side of the circus, the sad tears of a clown. Welcome to the big top, folks. I'm your master of ceremonies, Fatz. Boy, do we have a lot of number ones for you this show. We've got the number one high wire act. We've got the number one band doing the number one hit songs all about the circus. And we were going to have the number one snake charmer in the world, but I've just been informed he has just met the number one snake. And now, I give you a guy who at the age of 5 ran away with the circus, but the police caught him and made him bring it back. Earl Smurl!
Baby, although I chose this lonely life, it seems it's strangling me now.
That's right, Earl. Oh, wild and big cigars, gigantico. They're all laughing at you now. 'Cause you've been used.
I've been used.
You've been such a fool, Earl.
I'm a fool.
You broke all the rules.
All the rules. But I must let the show go on. Baby, there's an enormous crowd of people. They're all after my blood. I wish they'd maybe tear down the walls of this theater. Let me out. Let me out. Oh, I'm so blind.
I'm so blind.
I'm wasting time. Wasting, oh, so much time. Walking on the wire. On the wire. But I must let the show go. I must let the show go. I must let the show go on.
For the benefit of Mr. Kite, there will be a show tonight on trampoline. The Hendersons will all be there. Later have no fangies fair. What a scene of a man and horse that's hoops and gardens. Lastly, through a hog's head of real fire. In this way, Mr. K will change the world. Celebrated Mr. K performs his feat on Saturday at Bishopsgate. The Hendersons will dance and sing as Mr. Kite flies through the ring. Don't be late. Mrs. K and H assure the public their production will be second to none. And of course, Henry the Horse dances the waltz.
Bone tied wire, one side's ice, one is fire. It's a circus game with you and me. I'm up on a tight rope, one side's made and one is hope. But the top hat on my head is all you see, and the wire seems to be the only place for me. Comedy, I'm very funny falling like a rubberneck giraffe. You look into my past, oh well, baby, you're just too blind up. See, I'm up in the spotlight. Oh, does it feel right? Oh, the altitude seems to get to me. I'm up on the tight wire. Think about life and funeral pies, putting on shows you see. And now, direct your attention, ladies and gentlemen, up to the high wire, where we have the great Linguini, the world's most famous. Human pancake, like a rubberneck giraffe. You look into my past, oh well, baby, you're just too blind to see.
I'm so blind.
I'm so blind.
I'm wasting time.
Wasted time.
Walking on the wire.
On
Yeah, that's right. We're going to keep this show right on going. Y'all stick around, because in just a few minutes, we're going to be back with our tribute to the greatest clowns of all time. I mean, of all time. Can anybody guess who that is? It's 3 of them. That's the only hint I'm going to give you. Coming right up in the next show, so y'all don't go nowhere, okay? They ain't never going to guess that. Clowns around, you won't see them at the circus. No, they can't be found. You'll have to catch them in the morning on the TV show. It's the world's greatest clowns, Curly, Larry, and Bo.
When me and my friends go out on the town, we can't sit still, we can't sit down. We don't like to fight and we don't like to scuffle, but we dance all night doing the curly shuffle. Hey Mo, hey Mo, hey Mo, hey Mo. Oh well, I knack, 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 well, we never miss a chance when we get up and dance and do the curly shuffle. Well, me and my friends, we love Larry and Mo. We love Curly's rubber shimp and his background toe. It's such a delight to do the boogie and the hustle, dancing all night doing the curly shuffle. Hey Mo, hey Mo, hey Mo, hey Mo. Oh well, nyak, 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 nyak. Oh, wise guy. Well, we never miss a chance. We get up and dance and do the curly shuffle. We all love to see comedy classics on late night TV. Those knuckleheads are beginning to scuffle. They push and they shove, doing the curly shuffle. Hey Mo, hey Mo, hey Mo, hey Mo. Oh well, I nyak, 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 nyak. Look at the clouds, look at the clouds. Well, we never miss a chance. We get up and dance and do the curly shuffle. We 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 do the curly shuffle. Well, we never miss a chance to get up and dance and do the curly shuffle. Yeah. Oh, shuffle. I love those girls, someone yes they do. Right.